And this is where it gets really interesting on the perception-driven science behind color deficiencies. So let's go back to the red, greens, and blues again. In the macula, your center of vision, where you have macular degeneration that can develop in some people, there are no blue cones in the macula. There's only reds and greens. You've got blue cones that are scattered throughout the entire retina, but not in the macula, because blue cones absorb a high amount of energy from the blue light that's emitted in order to help you see better. And there may have been different settings in video games now that you can see protan, deutan, and tritan. So what does that even mean? So protan means that someone's going to have a difficult time distinguishing reds. Deutan means someone's going to have a difficult time distinguishing greens. And tritan means that someone's going to have a difficult time distinguishing blues. So what about protanopia versus protanomalous? So protanopia, think of it like nope, meaning that there is a reduction or a complete elimination of the red cones that someone does not have in their retina, thus they cannot determine the color red. Protanomalous means that there are some red cones, but they're not functioning correctly, or at least there's a normal number of them, but they're not functioning to the degree that they need to, so they still have a difficult time determining reds. This type of testing can be determined in color vision testing, such as the Farnsworth and different things like that, to determine if you're protanomalous or protanopia, or deuteranomalous, which is green, or deuteranopia, tritanomalous, tritanopia. So those different terminologies can help distinguish what someone wrestles with as far as color deficiency. You can also have something called achromatopsia. So achromatopsia having to do with all of the cones in the retina not functioning correctly. So this person can only see shades of black, white, or gray, or different things like that. And it's very interesting when you talk with someone that has a color deficiency, because the way that they see the world and interpret it and understand it is going to look completely different than how you interpret it. There are different filters and shades and glasses and different things that can help someone with these color deficiencies see differently and interpret vision in a very different, colorful way that can actually help them understand what those colors may actually look like by enhancing the working cones or the working photoreceptors that interpret color vision.